So today we're going to show you how to attach a HPL top to a table base. So you get 4 bolts, 4 washers and 4 nuts. So first step is to slide the head of the bolt into the channel and push that to the outer part. Do that with all 4. So the next step is to drop the washers onto the bolts. So the next bit, it's easier if you've got 2 people, but it's fine if it's just 1. If you just pop one of the bolts through the spider there, push it into roughly center, and then proceed to work the other ones in as well. Okay, and then tighten the nuts, just finger tighten them. Do that with all 4. So the final stage is just to tighten the nuts. You just want to make sure that they're not too tight. So once it feels a bit of give, just leave it there or it can actually damage the laminate. And specifically don't use power tools. There you go. And there you have the completed table.